What's going on, guys? This is Chandler Smith, and I'm so pumped about today's video because I'm gonna take you on a walkthrough tour of our brand new cabin. So with all of that being said, let's jump into it. All right, guys, there she is. There's the new cabin. And it's funny, I don't know how I missed this sign before, but if you zoom in here, it says no winter maintenance beyond this point. And I thought they were kind of like, you know, beyond kind of this point. I thought that they would still plow up to our cabin, but they actually don't. You can see I had to call a plow because right here, sorry, I was pointing my finger behind the screen. Right here, they stopped plowing. So everything past this point, I have to pay to plow. We had to pay a lot more than we were expecting to plow it in, but it is worth it because we've loved the cabin. And you can see if we didn't have it plowed, we would be in some major trouble. Now, I also had him plow this lower section, which is nice, but then also this upper section. And since we have it plowed, we're gonna go see if there's enough room to do some cookies before I take you inside. We're gonna try two-wheel drive first. You know, guys, that's not very cool. I thought it'd be cooler, I'm gonna be honest. It's not like a road where it's slick. I'm just kind of getting bogged down here. Hard to get the speed up. Let's see. There we go. Watch me get stuck in front of the cabin being an idiot. Oh, that almost worked. Probably gonna have my editor just cut this out because it really is not very cool. There we go. All right, that's all you get. And there's the new cabin. So, lesson learned, if you're buying a cabin, it's probably a good idea to be able to stay in it all 4 seasons before you buy it, but that's not really possible. I don't know. It is what it is. It is kind of like dating though, right? Like when you date, you definitely want to date for 4 seasons before you seal the deal. So I wish we could have done that with the cabin, but we're not that disappointed. It's been fun. So the other thing that's a little awkward about this video, I'm just gonna come clean. We've already been up here for a couple days, but it just seemed right to like drive up to it for the video. So my family's inside waiting for me to film this video before we head home after being here for a couple days. It's been fantastic though. And, I'm really excited to give you the walkthrough tour. But first off, we got to show you the exterior here. So now it looks kind of quaint, honestly. But it's actually about 3,000 square feet, which is awesome because it's got a bedroom upstairs, 2 bedrooms on the main floor, and then 3 bedrooms downstairs. So you could probably comfortably sleep like 12, uncomfortably probably 20, 25, and we'll show you when we get in there. But there's the view. My favorite part, and it's kind of foggy today, but you've got all of this. And then if you look this direction, it's a little too cloudy to see, but you have a beautiful view of the Tetons just right here. Maybe they're not quite that big. Maybe they're like that big, but we really love it up here. And we plan on using it a lot more in the winter because right now I don't have snow machines. That's also a purchase that hopefully will come soon because it'd be fun to have them up here in the winter. Now, this is the front walk. We actually go in the downstairs or the back door usually. Over here, you can see we've got the gas tank and they have to refill that, oh, like every 6 months or something. It's a pretty big tank, but just give you a little taste of the exterior. Oh, one other thing I wanted to show you. I'm gonna have to run through the snow here. This is the back, and our property line actually goes down to that corner and then follows this tree line. So I think we've got about 2.5 acres in total. And this is the door we like to use. Got the little balcony. There's a fire pit right there. And man, it's just so pretty up here. Our favorite part is that there's just nobody around. And so you can just come up and get away from it all. We also just installed the TV. And so I need to go take all that trash in, but we'll take you inside here. Gonna have to take that diaper out. All right, here it is. All right, I'm gonna give you the full walkthrough, but before I do, I know there are gonna be a couple questions, or at least one big question And that is, Chandler, are you going to use it as a vacation rental? What do the numbers look like? Give us the financials on this thing. And here is the honest to goodness answer. I originally thought we were going to use this as a vacation rental the majority of the time, and then just come up here a little bit. And that still might end up being what we actually do. The thing is when I have it as just a vacation rental, an investment property, there are obviously certain tax benefits, which I really like. However, after being up here a couple times, we really love it just for our family. And so we have not yet used it as a vacation rental. We're still within the time period where, you know, we're getting everything cleaned up. We bought all of this furniture. We furnished the entire place. We're getting it all ready so that it can be used as a vacation rental, but we haven't completely decided whether we're going to make it a full-blown vacation rental or just keep it for our family. Now, the first time we're renting it out, I guess, is this weekend. So we came up during the week to come and get it prepped, but we're renting it out to my sales force. So we rented 2 other cabins. We're using this cabin, and then Garrett's cabin, you guys know him as Yogi. His cabin is like 2 minutes that direction, and it is sick. If you guys want me to do another video tour of his cabin, let me know. His cabin is actually bigger and, in my opinion, a little cooler than mine. He also got his on like 8 acres, so he's definitely flexing hard on me. And he was the one that peer pressured me into buying this one. He's like, dude, it's going to be an incredible vacation rental. I think deep down he knew we were going to get up here and be like, okay, we really like this place. But I guess what I'm saying is we haven't fully committed whether it's going to be vacation rental or not. We've come up, we've furnished it, and now we're renting it out to my people for the next 2-3 days, which is going to be awesome. It's going to be a great place that we can hold events. But I'll let you guys know. We're either going to make it a full-blown vacation rental, or we might just not rent it to anyone other than my people. And when I say rent it to my people, obviously I'm paying for it either way. And then the rest of the time, just have it for family, friends, for fun. So I'll keep you posted, but when it comes to vacation rental numbers, we purchased the property, I think it was like $700,000 or somewhere in that realm. I don't know, it's been a minute since we closed on it, but they don't really matter because they don't need to matter yet. If they do matter, I'll definitely share those numbers with you. And I'm sure you're sick of me going on and on and on and on. So now we're gonna give you the tour of the whole place. All right, guys, so we actually brought all of the leadership up to the cabin and had an absolute blast this weekend and held off on posting the video. So before we get back to the tour, here's a little taste of what it was like. Let's go! Go, boys.
Let's go, baby. No, yeah, push it. A whole lot of digging and towing later. We got her out, baby. Let's go.
First off, Utah Jazz, go Jazz. Here is the kitchen. So give you a little look at the kitchen. Here is the dining room. One of my personal favorite places to hang out is right here because we have this incredible view. And especially in the summer, well, even now it's beautiful. In the summer, it's just rolling hills. It's a farmer's field, and so it just looks beautiful. And then a lot of this is government land up in there with more cabins. The cabins aren't on the government land. There's government land and then there are cabins. Just a little bit of a taste here. I'll just walk you through. This is the new furniture we just got. Down here, we've got one bathroom, and you got the double vanity, a nice shower. Maddie came and already has like all of the soaps and stuff in. She's got the towel rack up, got it all cabiny. Little laundry area. This is the only laundry in the place, but super nice. What's up? Got some storage here. Oh, just kidding. I'm still getting to know the place. We'll take you downstairs in a minute. This is one of the bedrooms. Nice little setup. One thing that was really cool about purchasing it, we've got just junk in here that we've taken down. But one thing that was really nice is it came with all of this furniture, which was unreal because then we didn't have to furnish it. Garrett did have to furnish his, and he dropped a pretty penny. I think he said he spent like $50,000 or $60,000 furnishing his. So this is the other. So we've got queen bed here, and we'll take you upstairs. Upstairs is where the master is. Now we just got this furniture, and I've got a TV downstairs that I have not yet put here, but we'll have a nice little TV here. Another cool little hangout. What's neat is there's like a hangout room on every floor. The master. So this is me and Maddie's room, and this one is a king, which is super nice. Got that pretty view out there, another view out there. And one thing that we like about this, for those of you that have newborns, you know that, and even our daughter's like 2 now, this is like her own little bedroom back in here. Got some sheets back there. It's kind of nasty. Probably shouldn't have shown this, but I really like having the big closet so that you've got it. We leave the door open, and then you can have a kid sleep in here while you're in the master, which is way nice. And then you've got the bathroom up here. Just storage back here, and then, I guess not storage, just dead space. Shower. Fireplace. I just love the cabin-y vibe. And then my kids are patiently waiting for us to load up and head home because we've been here for a couple days. So, how's it going, Ren? How you doing, Goobs? How you doing, Matt? All right, so we'll show you guys the bedrooms. This is just storage. That's the TV that I still have to hang upstairs. This is one bathroom. Gotta do it every time. And this is the other one. Again, all these bunk beds and the bedding came with the place, which was super nice because then we didn't have to do that. So you can sleep a ton of people. You look like a ragamuffin. Have you had fun at the cabin? And then here's the other one. Same as the one on that other side. So in total, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, technically 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So you can sleep 14 in beds if you've got couples in all of the queens and kings, which is way nice. And then obviously we've got couches if we need them. I think we'll have a little bit more than that when the sales reps come up here. So we'll have a couple people on the couches. But that is the grand tour. We plan on putting a ping pong table out here. How's cleaning coming, Matt? And guys, that's it. I had to give you a final walkthrough of something because we are patiently waiting for our house to be done. It's almost been 2 years. Well, not almost. We're like a year and a half, a little over a year and a half. But it will be about 2 years since we started our house to finishing it. I'll show you a little footage here. If you want to see the most recent video on that, I just did one last week, so you can go and click the link up here to check that out. If you enjoyed this video and you want to see more of the personal life stuff like this, let me know. If you're like, Chandler, just stick to the real estate and the numbers and the fun stuff. Well, this might end up being that, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to remember to smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell. And we'll look forward to seeing you in the future videos. Thanks, guys. Have a great day.